Both the Sensex as well as the Nifty ended flat ahead of the FNO expiry on Thursday and also ahead of the RBI policy review. Remember, that's next week and all eyes would be on that. Now, top gainers included IT, pharma and the energy stocks, while the public sector banks, infra and media stocks were the ones which really took a hit today. Tanveer Gill is right here to give us a detailed action report on the markets today. Tanveer, over to you.
It was a volatile session for the market, but towards the end we came off the day's lows, which was encouraging. Penultimate day to expiry, so turnover was higher, 2,50,000 crores done in total. A chunk of it, of course, coming in from NSE futures and options. Cash also doing about 10,000 crores in the session. In terms of broader market participation, there was not as much as there was activity related to earnings. HDFC Bank came out with numbers that met street expectations, and the stock saw a bit of a correction in the session. It had run up almost 13% ahead of earnings all of this month. So a bit of a step back really coming in when numbers were pretty much in line with what the street was expecting. Aside of that, you had some gainers, some private banks especially, which did well. Kotak Mahindra Bank, ICICI Bank were in focus. You also had a fair amount of interest come in to some of the rate sensitives. Bajaj Auto, Hero MotoCorp, the two-wheeler names were particularly active in the session. On the losing side, some bit of correction was seen in SBI. Like I said, HDFC Bank corrected a bit. We also had some of the cyclical names that step back a bit in the session.